Hello guys, it's me, Pauline. Ito na ang banana plant na nasa harap ng bahay namin sa probinsya. Kakaibang klase ng banana. After blossom, only 11 fruits ang bunga at mawawala yung heart blossom. Iplalabas na ang 11 fruits, mawawala ang heart blossom. This kind of banana is called plantain banana. Pag ripe na ang banana, you can cook like boil style or fried. I-fried mo, lagyan ng like brown sugar. Yeah, look at that guys. At saka kaiba yung leaves niya. Look, that's only 11 fruits. At saka yung leaves niya is kakaiba din ang hugis. Yeah. May mga babies pa yan guys, pero sabi ko ng kapatid ko, wag mo nang pag somebody na mga friends na mag-ask, saka na lang kasi minsan 'di ba magtampo pag first bunga sa first bunga, saka na lang pag marami na yung mga babies. Shout out to all my VIP members, Perfines Kitchen, Transtic Official, Roylin Official, Kuya Bud's Vlog, Helen in Germany, Kuya Gado TV, Yunbin Papa TV, Your Olarba, Oyamo Channel, and muchas idea con Diego Jest. Shout out to my gold members, Tolits Guapo TV, Alicia Ali, silver members, Gender Ferreira Canal, Rose Tanhai, Arnold the Desert TV, Bestag TV 76, Surly You Travel and Music, and Surly You Travel and Music. Shout out to my super chatters, my member super chatter, Aisha Channel, Everyday Adventure, Jessie Pinarijo, Supportive Friends, super chatter, June Espino TV, Sagip Squad, Reverse Blog UAC, and also my VIP member super chatter, muchas gracias con Jigujes. And to all my members, especially to all my new members and rejuvenate members, thank you for the love and support. And shout out also to all my solid supporters of the Pauline MM blog. Thank you so much guys, and thank you for supporting Pauline.